Hey everyone, it's Dr. Baird, and today we're going over the Kettlebell March exercise. So this is one of our favorite introductory exercises to improve balance, single leg strength, core engagement, overall tension to protect our joints. And all you need to do is get a medium to heavy weight, and you're gonna hold it right at your chest. So holding it as close to the body as possible. The heavier the weight is, the more core engagement you're gonna get, which is always a good thing. And then from there, what we're gonna do is just march in place. So the main thing to keep in mind, this isn't a fast march. We're not doing something like that. It's a nice, slow and controlled march. So again, I'm lifting my right leg up. Just a second pause at the top, just enough to get that balance to kick in at the foot. And back down. Switching to the other side. Second hold. So again, slow and controlled, keeping that core engaged. Just watching for, again, we don't want too much shifting back and forth. We want to stay as upright as we can. There you have it. That is a Kettlebell March. Thank you for watching.